Good morning, everybody. This is Lorraine, Alternative Homesteading, and it's Wednesday, February 26, 2025. Just want to show you what they're doing here. When I woke up, the sky was completely blue, and now look. Hope everybody's doing well. This is also going to be an evidentiary video to show you how they continuously burn my grass, kill the grass with some kind of a drone. So all these little white spots here, this is not the different kind of grass that will brown out over the winter time. This was deliberately done, and I'll take a close-up and show you what it looks like. You notice it's all the same grass. They've just burnt it out here. So I want to show you the pattern here. So wherever you see the white spots, this is where they burned it, which is where they burned the grass, right here. Burned it out here. 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 They know I'm trying to sell my property, so they want to make it look bad. And then also what happens when they burn it, when it rains down here and it gets wet, which is all the time, it doesn't hold it gets very muddy. We have very muddy conditions here. Now you have to understand, for those people who are newcomers, welcome. My name is Lorraine. I moved from Malignant, New Jersey, and a home I lived in for 30 years as the original owner. When I moved to my house, we had no grass, no trees. And I created a beautiful, beautiful home that was literally stolen by a cop because I was harassed by the Malignant, New Jersey Police Department on a regular basis since at least 2015, but actually going back to 2012, and maybe even before that. I just wasn't even aware of it. And then I moved here to Jackson County, rural Kentucky, 64.6 acres of land. Yes, all of that's mine. All that, and even across the street. And for those people that say, oh, you should have started a TI community, I've tried that so many times. It doesn't work. So here, now let me tell you that this field here, I would have to cut twice a week sometimes because the grass is so thick and grows profusely. But they have a drone coming over my property, burning everything. Here, they're digging up the whole grass. Look at this. Digging it all up. Anywhere you see the white, which is almost everywhere, all this burns. Oh, look at this. This is new. All of this is all burned to dye it down because I'm selling my property this year. And these Freemason losers, and there are 3 lodges down in there, are messing with me every day since the day I moved here, literally, since the day I moved here. Look at what they've done. It's like the entire field here. And some of this is new. I think they just did this overnight, actually. Yes, they probably did, because it was starting to improve because we had so much rain and snow. But now that it's melted, and for that retired Navy guy that views my channel, I want you to see a close-up of this. And that tree branch there, that healthy, once healthy pine tree branch, was cut down by a drone. Oh, here, look, here's some more. But I hope everybody's doing well. I posted a video last night, or I should say early this morning, just after midnight. It was an article about the Barry Trower, Dr. Barry Trower. He was a Navy microwave expert. You know, he's retired, obviously, but he has 30 pages of research, and the author of this article is going to review this research in her writings in the future. And I'm looking forward to it. Barry Trower is a credible witness, obviously. He's worked on these projects. They did my entire grass. Look, they left no stone unturned. Look over here. It may look a little bit whiter because there's a little bit of frost on the ground. And once again, the criminals also planted a carpet of weeds all the way down my driveway here and here. Now this is the kind of grass that browns out over the wintertime. Whatever they planted here, you can see. But anyway, just an evidentiary video. I hope everybody's doing well. I'm going to show you some of the holes that they dug here too. This is a hole, and they've been raking my landscape. You could see it all here, what they've done. You see the root systems here? You see all of this? They did this. See, they turned all of this into mud where this was grass and moss. And they did this. It's an eyesore. They are exposing all the root systems. The roots of the trees, which will cause them to eventually die. Plus, it's unsightly, you know? Here, look. This is Luciferian Satanist Freemasons, and look at what they did here. Phallic symbols now. That's what they're doing to my trees, my poor trees. I feel so bad for the trees. Aside from the health and the beauty of the property, which this property was absolutely gorgeous when I moved here. Oh, and they took down this tree too. This one here that's lying here, that one that's lying there. I don't see it anywhere else in anybody else's property except mine. But anyway, I'm going to sign off for now. This is what they're doing to my gorgeous property in Jackson County, Kentucky.